Good afternoon. It's my pleasure to be with you today. Today we're going to learn about connecting three bulbs, whereby a single bulb will be connected parallel to two bulbs which are in series, and I would like us to connect them so that we can be able to measure the current of the bulb, the current flowing through the bulbs from the live wire to the neutral wire, and the current flowing in between the wires. So these bulbs are of 60 watts, this bulb. So one of the bulbs, we are going to connect it here, and this one, connect it here, and the third one will be connected here. So these two bulbs are in series, whereby this one is in parallel to these ones. So we're going to use these strippers to connect the bulbs, whereby we're going to start from the live wire, connect it to the common of the switch, and from the common of the switch, we're going to take the electricity from the live one into the common of bulb one. Okay, in short, we're going to use this here, whereby it's just a sample from this image here. So that is how we are going to connect it. So from live one to common of bulb one, and from the neutral of bulb one to the neutral, the electricity. Then we're going to also loop the electricity from the live of bulb one, or live of the switch. And we're going to loop it from here to live of the bulb 3. Then we're going to connect it from here to here, and lastly we're going to loop the neutral wire from bulb 1 to bulb 2. So this is the connection, and I would like us to test it before we start measuring the current. So first of all, we should make sure that the connectivity of the strippers is correctly connected. So this is the live, it's connected to here, and is the live one connected to this one, or to this one, or to this one, connected to this one, here, it's connected to here. So this is all right. So when you put on the switch there, the source will have this as the voltage. The voltage here currently is 236 volts, whereby the 236 volts is the voltage supplied through the circuit. So this voltage supplied through the circuit, I would like us to first of all to know the current flowing from the source. The current flowing from the source, that is the current one. So for us to measure the current one, we're going to use this a clamp meter to measure the current, and because of the we're going to just use these clamps to measure the current in each and every step. So first of all, I would like us to start with the current from the source. So measuring the current from the source should set the clamp meter into the we're going to turn this one into the current, whereby the going to into that side. This is the current, the AC current. So we're going to turn it into that place. So I would like us to measure the current from the wire, whereby you are going to open the clamp and just put it. Now, so we're going to test if the bulb's live, because current is measured when the current is flowing. So the current is flowing right now. So we're going to measure it right now. So we're going to start with the live. So we have the current in is that one. So as we have seen that the current right now is that one 0.31. So we have the 0.31, that is current one, 0.31 amperes. So the current get into the circuit should be equal to the current going back to the source. So let's measure the current flowing back to the source, that is the current 6. So we're going to measure it, and our answer is that one, that is 0.35 amperes. Sorry, we had some confusion on the live wire. As you can see right now, as we are measuring, the current flowing is 0.35. So point of correction is that, so the current flowing through the circuit is the same as the current getting back to the main source. So I would like us to go to the current flowing through, or current flowing from the switch to bulb 1. So this wire comes from the switch here, goes through to the common of bulb 1. So we're going to measure here so that we may know current to get, or that is 0.20. So that is the current number 20.20 amperes. Then current number 3 is just the current from the neutral of bulb 1 to the neutral of the neutral that goes to the main source. So we're going also to measure that one. Live neutral E1, we may be able to know the current flowing, that is 0.14, as you can see here. So this is 0.14 amperes. Also the I4, we're going to measure the I4. The I4 is this one, from the switch to bulb 3, that is here. From the switch to bulb 3, this wire. So we're going to use this wire to measure it. Also that one is 0.14 amperes. So we have 0.14 amperes. Then the last one is I5, current 5, whereby current 5 is between the neutral of bulb 3 to the common of bulb 2. So the neutral of bulb 3 is this one, to the common of bulb 2, which is that one. So we're going to measure it right now, and we're able to find out that it is 0.14, almost 0.114. So that is 0.13 amperes. So it's almost 0.14. So this is how we are going to, this is how we are using a clamp meter to measure the AC current of a circuit, whereby a bulb is parallel to two bulbs which are in series. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.